Hey guys, welcome back to Hoyist.com. This is Nanda, founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start a successful web hosting business. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create packages for master reseller hosting, master reseller hosting, and alpha reseller hosting. Now today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account for reseller hosting, and then we will create an account for master reseller hosting in the next video. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting and just if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay, like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay, next we are offering free domain name, and if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts. Okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay. We offer free WP toolkit, and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting, such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for NameHero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they are charging, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay. If still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting products don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoyist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoyist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay, this is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as an paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting is separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting. But for right now we are on. Let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing system, your domain name will be free. Okay. So I would suggest you to look our, check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available. On you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support Maybe this customer would come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know. But right now we have free WhatsApp support, customer support available. Okay, so let's get started with our video's topic. So let's get started. So I have upgraded my plan package at hoyist.com. Let's log into our WHM. I have upgraded to WHMCS master reseller plan. So let's log into our WHM on the login page. The first thing you need to go is to create a pairing. We are on a WHM reseller page. If you don't know how does this page look like, this is how the WHM reseller page look like. You can create resellers here if you want to. I do have actions to change, terminate and everything, but as an owner I can't change. Okay, we do have some tools to generate backups and everything, but we're gonna see how you can create a account for the master reseller. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to log in on our WHMCS. I'm gonna go into my WHMCS and I'll go for our admin section. On the admin page, this is all the admin page, and let's log into our, let's go to our product page, go on the system settings. And on the system setting page, just click on this option, product and setting, the product and services. Click on this option, product and services. Make sure guys, provide the password of your WHMCS, and we are on the product page. The first thing I'm going to do is create a group, as I told you already. Let's create a package name, Reseller Hosting. Okay, so we will see in this video, we will see how you can create a reseller hosting only and leave this option as it is. Okay, make sure to check these options and you can check any other form, but at the end of this course I'll show you to how to solve a few things in your WHMCS. I'll also give you a link where you can download those things also for free. Okay, so let's see how you can here. Now I'm going to move this to top again. So I'm just going to move this, I move this to top. Let's create a product. Just click on this, let's create product page. Now here we will see where you can create reseller hosting plan. Just click on this reseller box and select your group. Make sure to select your group here because this might cause an issue while setting up a group. Let's suppose I want to name this package as startups. Okay, and then select here your module here. Make sure to check the spellings again. Make sure. Okay, if you are using place called direct admin, plus called direct admin, I don't know. Plus both are the base same. Okay, so if you're using direct admin place called cPanel web hosting, you can use this same. Make sure to select the server here. So I'll go for cPanel and then I'll check this option, create as hidden. Okay, if you create as a hidden, this will show up in the store, but it will work already. Okay, like if I go here on the store page, hoyist.xyz, this is our domain name. If I go on this page, oh sorry guys, if I go on the store web hosting page, if I go for just here is other reseller hosting tab, there is no code right now. Okay, if you check this option after creating the product will be invisible still from here. I'll go for just continue. Now guys, I already told you can provide here a description. I'll go for providing here a simple description. I'll go for here 50 cPanel. This is a basic description that I wrote here and typed here, and here you can see if I go here, these are the basic. Make sure to check here the reseller account information, because with the reseller account we do have some different in WHMCS. We do have to send different credentials to our client. To select here the reseller account welcome email. Make sure to check the option enable apply text. If you don't know why I'm saying this, go ahead and watch the last video. Okay, that would be great. Then the next is featured. If you want to, go ahead. If you don't, no issue. If you want to provide the tagline description, you can, but personally I don't like it, and personally it's not required. Okay, now let's see how you guys set up the product pricing. If you want to go for the one-time fee and client can use your reseller hosting for lifetime, you can go for recurring and I'll go for monthly and annual. Okay, for monthly you want to charge my client $10 for a reseller hosting, I'll go for $10, and on yearly I'll charge them $120. Okay, if you want to provide some discount, like you want to offer this same that costs about $120 per month on the yearly billing, so you can offer them the same product for $80, so they can get a $40 discount. Okay, they'll get a $40 discount. Now guys, if you want to select this term, go ahead and watch my last video, because explaining this term will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, then the next is selecting here the module, and I'll go for here and search for here package. Now guys, you have to create a package for your reseller account. I'll go here and search for here reseller hosting. Okay, so hosting starter. Okay, this is how you can create a reseller hosting startup plan. I'll go for limiting this storage to 100 GB, 100 on 1 2 3 is 100 GB. Bandwidth everything to unlimited, because this is not required to limit this feature. And then on the last here, you can set up WP toolkit. I'll go over just here providing it unlimited. Okay. Then go on the WHM reseller setting page and grant here the access of WHM reseller and allow the 50 credit account. Make sure to uncheck this option because unchecking this option will be helpful for you. If you will not, your client will continuously resell your hosting. Okay. Click on the start button here. And if I just reload this page here, make sure to select here your module here. And when you select your module here, then next is just go ahead and select your server. Okay. And here you have to select your package. Now we have the starter hosting plan for reseller hosting. If you are setting up this plan for reseller hosting, you can set this ACL list, disk space, or bandwidth. I'll not because these are not required. Okay. Then the next is if you want to automate the procedure, you can check this option. If you don't want to, you can check this option only. Okay. Next is custom field not required for reseller hosting. The configurable option you can either create a video for configurable options. Okay. Then the next is upgrade, and then next is free domain name. Okay. If you want to set this up, you can also free domain name. Then the next is cross-selling. Nonetheless, is free domain name. Now here we will see how you can offer your client free domain name. Let's suppose you want to offer this free domain name.com one, and you want to offer a free domain name on annual billing only. So you can go for annual. If you want to offer this free domain name on only 2 year, but you go 3 year, go for it. Okay. And then the next is offer a free domain name for the first time only. The second option mean when you want to offer your client only a domain for the first year, then on the next year they have to renew their domain name like other web hosting do. I'll suggest you to go for it. And then the next is cross sales. If you don't know cross sale, leave it as it is. If you want to, you can just click on this option and they'll appear on the billing checkout pages. Okay. Next is affiliate setup, download setup. If you want to offer WHMCS to your client, you can use it. Okay, just click on this section. If I go here and reload the page, here you can see our reseller hosting startup plan is created. Just click on order now button and I'll set up here a domain name. I'll go for checkout. You can see here the free domain name for only .com extension. Go down and click on continue. And on the continue page, you can select here the billing. And if I go for continue right now, where again, these are the basic domain configuration. You can have the option. I'll go continue here. And this is basically the checkout page. Okay. Now this is our checkout primary page. Make sure that you can use this up also, but I'll not. Okay. Guys, this is how you can set up your reseller hosting services package. The same procedure is for master reseller. And if you want to use it, you can just go ahead and purchase a master reseller hosting and the procedure will be same. Only there will be another section for it with the name of master reseller accounts. I'll not create a video because it takes a lot to create a video on these sections. For the master reseller, the whole procedure will be the same. The only difference will be there will be another section here with the name of maximum cPanel WHM account. Okay, this option will be before the main plan. I'll show you guys right now. Wait. Master reseller hosting. When you are setting up a master reseller account, you have this type of interface on your WHM, and you can, if you want to offer the only WHM reseller, it will like this. And if you go for master reseller, there is an option of maximum number of WHM account. These are the basically cPanel reseller accounts. Okay, so if you want to offer your clients 50 WHM and 200 cPanel, you can go for like I have set it up, so you can set this up. Make sure to not check auto allow over reselling and allow bandwidth reselling, because guys, this is not at all allowed from any other web host. If somebody is allow you to oversell the disk space and bandwidth, this is actually basically from my side at hoyist.com, this is not allowed. And if you will resell this, the server will be overloaded still. If you will resell, the server will be overloaded and you might face issues for web hosting speeds, and I will not. I suggest you guys to allow this option. Okay. Now this is how you can set up the reseller hosting for your reseller in your WHMCS. Thank you so much for watching this video.